Well, as promised, I said I'd shoot a video of this ENOZ Animal Repellent Stations. Let you know if they indeed worked, or if indeed they did not. Now, they've been placed outside in several locations, placed all 6 of them, for the last 3 days. And one of which was placed under the crepe myrtle tree where I hang my bird feeders. And the whole purpose of that one was to repel squirrels. Now it clearly says here on the front, repels deers, rabbits, squirrels, and bats. It also says over here, money back guarantee. So let's watch a few short clips, just actually what took place in and around that crepe myrtle and under those bird feeders over the last couple of days. This was shot from my kitchen window, and it may be a little bit hard to see, but then there's a time-lapse video after that was taken this afternoon. Then we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit about whether indeed it repelled the squirrels or not.
But the chickens can't cover the entire paddock with this net, so
Well, as you can see, the ENOZ Animal Repellent Bait Station would be a failure for squirrels. There's a squirrel looking right at me. You can see in the background is the ENOZ Animal Repellent Station. So I can truly say now that these do not work for squirrels. And now I've got 2 squirrels. And as you can see out there beside, just to the left of the crepe myrtle, there's the ENOZ Animal Repellent Station. There's a 3rd squirrel coming into view. So, and now we have a 4th squirrel on the feeder itself. So this is not having any impact on the squirrels. The ENOZ Animal Repellent Station is a total failure for squirrels. So, as you can see, or maybe it was hard to see from the short clips I took from the kitchen window, the ENOZ Animal Repellent Stations clearly did not repel the squirrels. They were feeding underneath the feeders. At times, they were on both of the bird feeders, so it had little or no effect. So, I would say they were a complete failure for repelling squirrels. So you would think I'd be able to get my money back. Well, there's always a catch. Let me show you the catch to this. We'll place this over on the back side, and we'll take a look at it here, and it says repel deer and rabbits from hostas, gardens, flower beds, and potted plants. Repel squirrels and bats from attics. Doesn't say from outdoors. You know, it shows the little deer and bunny here on the back side. If you look all over it, there's no picture of a squirrel or bat anywhere to be found. Same here on the front. It shows the deer and the bunny on the grass outdoors. No squirrel, no bats. So, what they're saying right here is it just repels squirrels and bats from attics. Then, when you get down here to the real fine print, it says to repel tree squirrels and bats in attics and wall voids. Used to repel tree squirrels and bats from attics and wall voids for indoor use only. So that will definitely probably have an impact on me going over here and making them good on their 100% money back guarantee. And it says right here, protect your plants, money back guarantee. If you are not 100% satisfied with this product, Wilbert Home Products Incorporated will refund the purchase price of this product. Please send your written request for a refund to the address on the back panel, along with the original dated store receipt showing the price paid and the UPC code from the package. Please allow 6 to 8 weeks for processing. Well, therein lies another catch. Most people are not going to take the time to write a written request for refund. They probably don't have the receipt, and they probably threw the packaging away after they put the stations out. And then there's, of course, final catch where it says used to repel tree squirrels and bats from attics and voids for indoor use only. So there you have it, folks. According to this company, it's not meant to repel squirrels outdoors. To repel squirrels, it's for indoor use only, and wall voids and attics. But when you're looking at this at Tractor Supply or any other big box store, and you're looking for a means to get rid of your squirrels, you're going to walk down through the aisle, you're going to see this nice package, ENOZ Animal Repellent Stations. You're going to read repels deer, rabbits, squirrels, and bats like I did, and you're going to go, well, it's only $9.99. Let's give it a try. You're not going to read the fine print on the back panel. So, it's a complete failure for squirrels outdoors, and the company says in the back panel on the fine print, it's only intended for squirrels and bats for indoor use. So there you have it, folks. If I were you, I wouldn't waste my money on the ENOZ Animal Repellent Stations. Now, I will be fair about this, and they're still out there. And if no more deer come and browse on my green beans or my tomatoes or other things I have planted, I'll update you on that as well. So stay tuned for the final update video. And as always, until next time, folks, we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.